In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Uncharted Legacy of Thieves collection. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this Nathan Drake Shirtless. Download the mod you like. To install all these mods, you need Fluffy Mod Manager. Go to Files and select Manual Download option and select Slow Download option. Once the Fluffy Mod Manager download is done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded Fluffy Mod Manager and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Right click on blank area and select New and select Folder. Name this Mod Manager and press Enter. Open Mod Manager, drag and drop all these Mod Manager files inside. Open Mod Manager.exe. In choose game, find Uncharted Legacy of Thieves collection. Choose game folder, choose the game's install folder. Navigate to the game folder. Select the game folder and select folder option and select the mod list. Go back to downloads and this is the mod I downloaded, Harry Shirtless. Then drop the mod rar file inside this mod manager. Select refresh mod list and just turn on the mod. If you want to disable, just turn it off. If you want to uninstall the mod, just select this trash icon to uninstall. We have successfully installed the Atlas mod. Just minimize this and it says replace King's Bay outfit. So I will show you guys the mod was working. And as you can see, the mod is working. That's how you can install mods in Uncharted Legacy of Thieves. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.